Sky Court has no match if I look around the other apartments I have gone through in Gurgaon.
I felt like a king.
I feel it's very, very royal.
Whenever we enter this condominium, the aura, the ambience that appealed to us very much over here.
Sky Court is best project in this area. घर तो सभी दे देते हैं, बट जो फील है वो DLF देता है. ऐसा लगता है जैसे किसी 5 स्टार कॉन्डोमिनियम में हम आ गए हैं.
Sky Court, I think, is exclusive living, I would say.
Overall look बहुत अच्छी है.
The garden area is so beautiful, it's so attractive that I don't feel like going back home. I like to stay in the park area.
Landscape is beautiful, lovely, I love it.
The landscape which you have here is pretty awesome and spread across. It's a treat for an eyes if you walk around with the aisles, with a lot of water bodies.
Kind of freshness in the air, the kind of open spaces, the kind of relaxation you have out here.
It was like living in a garden.
For evening walk, that area is very good, and couples can go and sit there. The benches are there, wooden benches I found.
The thing which really soothes or which really relaxes your mind is the wind chimes. The sound that you hear from the wind chime, it gives you a very positive vibe.
ऐसा लगेगा कि जैसे हम इंडिया में नहीं किसी विदेश के उसमें आए हैं.
I think if anyone wants to experience a shift from a home to home, Sky Court is the place.
Beautifully finished. What I loved with the balconies running, when you come out and you see, and then you see the view, and then you see the whole balcony running along the side. The lobbies also, when you come in, the lift is lovely. It's a nice big lift.
All the areas, be it the swimming pool, be it the kids' play area, the green area, everything is so beautifully done that I'm quite pleased to be here.
The type of facilities and the ambience and the overall look, it is really bewitching.
The kind of interior it has, the sitting arrangement and the layout and the lighting that it has, it really gives as if you're walking into some 5-star hotel.
So as you enter the society, you see there's a cycling path and palm trees on both the sides. So I think anyone who enters gets a real great view.
It is very kid friendly, I guess. The parks are done very beautifully, the slides and the swings. Taken utmost care about the safety also, since the kids will be playing there. You have put all the carpets and everything so they don't get hurt. So that's really nice.
The entire stilt is being transformed into a club-like area. It looks great actually.
So you have different programs that are being set up in the stilt floors like yoga, other exercises, you have gym.
My USP of this place is my balcony. The whole day, I just love it.
Amazing balcony. I feel like playing cricket out there with a 22-yard open space.
If I stand in my balcony, I can see the sky, visualization, the stars, the moon, the sun.
तो balcony जो है वो तो मतलब अपने आप में एक क्लास सुपर.
स्काई कोर्ट में सबसे फेवरेट मेरे को रूम्स का साइज बहुत अच्छा लगा.
स्काई कोर्ट में ह्यूज एरिया ग्रीनरी है, वो हम सब के लिए बहुत अच्छा है.
और इसमें स्काई कोर्ट में न्यू कंसेप्ट यूज़ किए हैं, इवन की टेरेस गार्डन भी दिया है जो सबसे न्यू थिंग है.
The rooftop gardens and the terrace garden which has been done is really out of this world.
The basement lobby is well lit and it gives a luxurious feel when you enter the basement itself.
I have never seen a basement lobby like this in any of the apartment, or if you would ask me, any of the organization parking so far.
There is a special security arrangement is there. On each and every block you have provided a good security, so that feels special.
As a resident, I would feel very, very safe here.
That was the ceremony, that surprised me. Welcome ceremony, that was really great.
I think Sky Court is splendid, just awesome. It's a beautiful property made very well by DLF, and DLF known for its quality. I think Sky Court, the work that DLF has done is splendid. I really love it.
DLF is known for its good reputation. DLF is a pioneer in the construction.
DLF has got a reputation as well as a good name.
I believe Gurgaon is DLF. When you talk about Gurgaon, it's DLF only.
DLF is the best.